Today I'm going to share a very easy appetizer recipe. Here is the ingredient that you need. To start this recipe, you first remove the dill leaf from the stalk. Chop it up. And mix it with the cream cheese. Pour in the lemon juice and work it in. Add a little bit garlic powder. Roll your smoked salmon into a rose shape. Plate it. Put your cream cheese in there, one by one. Place the remaining cream cheese on your plate next to your salmon, and then put down the pita chips. And that's the end of the recipe. Smoked salmon dill dip. Enjoy.